Hello, good day. I'm Abdulaziz, a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor. So this is the account of my client that I have completed for the 2024 till June. So he was purchased a property and renovation it, then flip the property. So it called flip and fix. He have also rental properties, but he didn't record the properties and something on these books yet. He was only use it for flip and fix. So this is the chart of account I was created for my client. So you can see there was for the long term property rental property, there was land, building he was buy and buying cost, depreciation, closing cost, original cost, amortization, and some other chart of accounts I also created for the flip and fix. These all are for rental property, and these for the flip and fix that I had chart of account I was created. This is the parent account, and this is the purchase price, buying cost, rehab cost. In this rehab cost, there's a material, labor, professional fees, and the holding cost when the property was completed. For that reason, selling cost, debt service. So these all are the cost of goods sold that I have created. So mainly that when we purchased a property for the flip and fix, that was a asset, and then what was the expenses was happened. This all are assets. Then when we flip the project, and then in that time that all the expenses from buying to renovation, all expenses will be the cost of goods sold. So then we will move all the asset to expenses, then as a cost of goods sold, then we'll record the selling price and find out the gain or loss on that project or property. So after categorize all the transactions, this is the result will show in the financial report that this property was sold for 390,000, and property was purchased for the $200,000, and the buying cost is $30,000, and for the renovation, that material cost, labor cost, professional fees, and the holding cost, debt service. And when the property was sold, flipped to the different owner, then that time there was a selling cost. So I had record the selling cost, and there was some other overhead expenses, that bank fees, auto card repair and maintenance. So after all the expenses and buying cost, selling cost, everything, that owner had the losses. And there was another income he had, that was assignment fee income that I recorded. And there was some loan was taken when the owner was got the payment. There was some loan payment was made, so he repaid the loan. I have made the journal for that as well. So let me show you the journal that I did. This journal, this is the selling price, the total same amount selling amount that he was received, and from that amount he was paying all the mortgage loan, everything. So that was long-term business loan. He was all the loans he was received as repaid, and this is the amount he was received on bank account. And when the bank account received the amount, there was some bank fees, so I was categorized that fees under the bank fees and service charges. And when the property was flipped to the different owner, there was some selling cost, so I record those all selling costs as a selling cost on the cost of goods sold. So after that, everything, this financial report is coming up. And if you have the flip and fix type projects, I can organize your chart of account, categorize all of your transactions, assets, and then ready for the new project. And I will also categorize them all as a one by one project. Like there is different properties. If you buy 2 or 3 different properties, then I can create the different reports. Like this one is for one property. If you buy different property, the property wise report will show up here. So everything was perfectly pretty organized and is ready to give to CPA. So I give this report to my client, and he will provide it to her CPA, and then review and let me know if there any modification he was need. I will provide, but I don't think any modification need on this financial report. Everything is perfectly organized. Thank you. If you need any help about flip and fix or real estate type projects, you can book a consultation on